Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make Oshizushi, pressed sushi. This sushi originated from Kansai, western part of Japan. The popular Oshizushi is made with cured and marinated mackerel called shime Saba. We can get shime Saba in the freezer section of the Japanese grocery stores, and I've seen it in other Asian grocery stores as well. And I'd like to say big thanks to Kikkoman for sponsoring this video. Using Kikkoman seasoned vinegar, we can make sushi rice instantly, and it's super easy to put together this pressed sushi. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Kansai and Kanto. You'll hear these terms a lot when you travel in Japan. And Kansai refers to Osaka and the western part of Japan, while Kanto refers to Tokyo and eastern part. Kansai and Kanto. Have fun using it! Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!